In the heart of the Dordogne, in the charming village of Lalinde, this beautifully restored stone cottage from 1880 perfectly captures the romance of traditional French living with all the comfort and style of a modern home. Here, you'll find a true sense of community. The local shop, restaurant, and even a Montessori school are just a short stroll away, offering the ease of village life wrapped in timeless character. Step inside, and the atmosphere immediately draws you in, warm, welcoming, and full of light. The ground floor living area combines rustic charm with refined comfort, featuring underfloor heating and a cozy fireplace. It's the perfect spot for relaxing evenings at home. The adjoining kitchen is fully fitted and ideal for both everyday living and entertaining, opening effortlessly to the rest of the house. Across the hall, a generous ground floor bedroom with its own fireplace and ensuite shower room provides a peaceful guest suite or private retreat. Upstairs, 3 additional bedrooms continue the feeling of calm and space. The elegant master suite includes its own shower room, while the remaining 2 bedrooms share a stylish family bathroom, but it's outside that this cottage truly shines. A private courtyard garden offers a serene escape, complete with a shaded dining terrace, leafy greenery, and a tranquil pond with fountain. Whether it's morning coffee in the sun or summer evenings spent with friends, this is the kind of outdoor space that makes every day feel like a holiday. Beautifully renovated, energy efficient, and full of charm, this is a home ready to enjoy from the moment you arrive. A rare find in one of the Dordogne's most sought-after villages. In the heart of the Ariège, just moments from the enchanting medieval center of Mirepoix, this remarkable stone townhouse offers a rare combination of history, sophistication, and modern living. Complete with its own private swimming pool, thoughtfully converted from an original barn, the property has been transformed into a stylish and energy-efficient home that captures the very essence of contemporary French charm. Inside, light and space define the atmosphere. The ground floor apartment welcomes you with an airy open-plan living area and a sleek fitted kitchen. Its travertine stone flooring flowing throughout. French doors lead to a sunny balcony and down to the private deck terrace, the perfect place to unwind beside the heated saltwater pool. The garden is equally inviting, with its own garden house and summer kitchen, a haven for outdoor dining and relaxed afternoons. Also on this level are 2 spacious double bedrooms, including one with a romantic freestanding bath, alongside a modern shower room, separate WC, and utility room. Upstairs, the second apartment mirrors the same balance of elegance and practicality. An expansive open-plan living space, 2 further bedrooms, and a contemporary shower room. Ideal for a 3rd bedroom office or creative retreat. Whether you choose to keep the apartments independent or reconfigure the space into one grand family home, this property offers exceptional flexibility and income potential, all within walking distance of Mirepoix' vibrant market square, cafes, and boutiques. With its energy-efficient design, underfloor heating, and seamless blend of charm and comfort, this is a home perfectly suited for modern life in one of the south of France's most beautiful and sought-after towns. In the heart of the sought-after wine village of Lorens, surrounded by rolling vineyards and views that stretch to the mountains, this beautifully renovated stone house captures the very best of southern French living, perfectly positioned between the sea and the countryside, and within easy reach of Béziers, the motorway, and the Mediterranean beaches. It offers both tranquility and connection. Originally full of character, this charming village home has been completely transformed over the past year with an exceptional renovation blending original stonework and beams with elegant modern design. Every detail has been thoughtfully considered to create a warm, stylish, and functional home. Step inside and you're welcomed by a spacious open-plan living and dining area, bright inviting and framed by large glass doors that fill the space with natural light. The brand new kitchen, sleek and fully equipped, opens directly onto a west-facing terrace, a sunny and private retreat, ideal for outdoor dining or unwinding with a glass of local wine as the sun sets. Across its 3 levels, the home offers 4 beautifully appointed bedrooms, including a serene master suite with its own dressing room and contemporary bathroom. Upstairs, flexible spaces provide room for guests, family, or even a home office, all finished to the same impeccable standard. Below, a large garage adds practicality and surprise with a spa area already in place and room to expand. Every modern comfort has been included: reversible air conditioning, double glazing, insulation, and new electrics, plumbing and roof, making it completely move-in ready home. Whether as a full-time residence or a stylish holiday escape, this is a property that radiates charm, quality, and effortless French style in one of the most desirable corners of the Hérault. To view more stunning homes like this across France, visit forsailefrance.com.